Looking for easy meal ideas under 1,000 calories? In this video, I'll show you 7 simple, high-protein meal ideas that are easy to make, filling, and perfect if you're trying to eat a little lighter. Let's get started. Day 1 starts with a protein-packed breakfast, followed by a fresh and satisfying lunch, a light snack, and an easy dinner to finish the day. Day 2 is all about simple, balanced meals that are easy to prepare and keep you full throughout the day. For day 3, I've put together another delicious daily menu with plenty of protein and fresh ingredients. Here's day 4 with 4 easy meals that are perfect for anyone looking for lighter meal ideas. Day 5 includes simple homemade meals that are filling, colorful, and easy to make. For day 6, you'll see another full day of meals with breakfast, lunch, a snack, and dinner, all staying under 1,000 calories. Breakfast, chia pudding, only 270 calories. Lunch, salmon salad, about 388 calories. Afternoon snack, about 120 calories. Dinner, crackers with cottage cheese, 285 calories. And finally, day 7 brings one more complete daily menu that's simple, delicious, and easy to prepare. For breakfast, I make toast with peanut butter and strawberries. I spread the peanut butter on the toast, add the strawberries, and serve it with yogurt. For lunch, I make a quick tuna salad. I chop the vegetables, add the tuna and corn, and season with olive oil, lemon juice, and salt. I serve it with a slice of bread. Afternoon, snack. Orange plus cashews, approximately 170 kilocalories. Dinner, cottage cheese, avocado, and crackers. Arrange everything on a plate and dinner is ready. Calories, approximately 160 kilocalories. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious and easy recipe ideas. Thank you for watching.